One thing that was going on Twitter the other day, I was reading all the crazy requests that some of you out there, maybe it's not you guys, but there's people out there who try to get me to send them all sorts of stuff just by basically sliding in my DMs and begging me. And someone asked if I would read some of these, so hey, why not? I got someone asking, hey, can you send me $10 and an iPhone 10? Both. So 10 bucks and an iPhone 10. Hi Andrew, I see everyone asking for expensive things like Teslas or iPhones. All I ask is for 3 iPhone 7s, an iPhone 10, and as many $100 bills as you can fit inside a briefcase. Thanks. Please do not ignore, I apply for all your giveaway and never win, and I watch all your video and like them all. Please, I am a good fan of yours. Man, that guy makes a compelling argument as to why I should send him all that stuff. Dear insert name, I am a big insert, he didn't even put my name in there. Dear insert name, I'm a big fan and just thought I would inform you of this. I enjoy all your content. However, I insert heart-wrenching sob story and would be mightily touched if you could be grateful and hook me up with insert far-fetched mooching request. It would really help me out. Thanks for your time. I look forward. Now you guys are literally messing with your boy. Dear sir, I am very poor and for university I need a MacBook Pro with 2 terabyte SSD, an autographed picture by TLD, custom PC built by Steve Gates and one of your puppies. Please don't ignore, I am biggest fan. I enter all giveaways and never win. Why has everybody got to talk to me about how they enter all the giveaways and never win? That's the whole point. If you didn't win, then you didn't get anything. So if you didn't win, why would you then contact me saying, hey, I didn't win, send me something anyway? But like, that doesn't make any sense. I send something to the winner. Oh, give me strength. Hi Andrew, I live in North Africa, Algeria, and we can't buy Pixel 2 phones. The only brand that's not available. So, if you can send me one, winky face. Hey Andrew, I'm poor and only have a 1080 Ti. Can you help me out with a Titan XP? You guys, hey Andrew, I'm poor. I already have this expensive graphics card. Could you hook me up with an even more expensive graphics card? Hello Andrew, my car burnt down, so I need a new Asus gaming laptop. How does a car burn down? Burnt down your car? Your car. Hi Andrew, could I please have your Twitter account? I wanna know what it's like to be verified. Doesn't change a thing, my friend. Yo Andrew, my hamster died. He always wanted me to have an iMac Pro, but he couldn't afford to get me one. Can you just give me one to honor his memory? You the realist, thanks. I am the realist. God. Good night. Maybe it is an abuse to ask you something, but it is that here, even though it is working, it's very difficult to acquire a team like that. I'm from Venezuela, and if it is in your possibilities, I would like one of the giveaway teams that promote. But I just read that there is no access to Latin America. If you make me that gift, I assure you give it the best use. Take care of it and keep it, since here we do not have the benefit of acquiring gift cards as in previous years to acquire technology. I ask you for a gift. Thank you for reading and taking you that time to understand. I don't know what the hell I just read. There you have it, guys. Those were the questions you sent in. Those were the requests you made for free stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sending in your questions, and thank you so much for 150,000 subscribers. Let's see where we can get by the end of 2018, but this is a great way to at least kick off the year. And again, I only have you guys to thank for it. More giveaways are coming. Stay tuned for that. And of course, if you haven't done so yet, and if you enjoyed this video, feel free to click or tap on my face when it appears right at the bottom of the screen in order to subscribe for free to the channel. Thanks so much for watching. Again, I'm Andrew Edwards, and I will catch you in the next video.